Good afternoon, Mr. William Koh. So today, my team group members Teron, Denson, Jovan, Yogi, Wallace, and Hakam will be presenting you about an Innova project called the Bella, an umbrella stand. So before I go into the extreme users, a video link will be shared to you through email. So based on the video, extreme user 1 says that there is no place to put an umbrella when it's outside. So the main problem about this is that it's not comfortable carrying umbrella when you go everywhere and not a place to put it where conveniently for you to put it nicely. So the extreme user 2 says that he's someone that he uses the umbrella regularly, and whenever he goes somewhere to a coffee shop, hawker center or anywhere, he doesn't have enough space for the umbrella to be placed nearby. So when he needs it, it's not somewhere that it's for him convenient enough for him to grab it and go. So that's basically what the problem is, and that's what the Tebella is produced for. So now I would like to pass on the time to Yogi to talk about that point of view.
Thank you for your wonderful speech. Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Yogi. I'll be defining about our product. In point of view, there are many times we carry our umbrella outside. So most of the time we don't have a place to put our umbrella. For example, when we're having a dinner outside, we don't have a place to put our umbrella near to the table. So we need to put our umbrella somewhere near to in a disorderly manner. So there is no proper place to place our umbrella. So for the design challenge, we aim to make an umbrella holder that simply slide into the table, allowing the umbrella to rest on the slot. With this goal, we aim to design it in a way that will help the user to use it easily. Most importantly, it must be lightweight so it is portable. Okay, I will pass on the speech to Jovan, and he will be presenting about Ideate 1 and Ideate 2.
Thank you for the wonderful presentation, and good afternoon to you, Mr. William Koh. My name is Jovan. I'll be presenting on Ideate 1. So for Ideate 1, how do we came up with this idea is because one day I was thinking about a bag. But what does bag do? A bag is something that we carry around, while inside we can put things. And then another thing is the Velcro. So the idea is that we can carry the umbrella like a sling bag with the Velcro to grip on it. But in the long run, it may not be good as we are walking by. The umbrella's handle and tip may be dangerous to passersby, such as when we walk by, the handle or the tip may hit until other people while we are walking around. So for Ideate 2, what we come up here, right, is because every household we have a lot of tissue paper, like tissue boxes. But what do we do with the tissue boxes? We throw them away. We don't really recycle them. So for me and my team, we decided that for the tissue box, we can take away the plastic on top, and inside we put a small bowl in it to slot the umbrella, whether it's dry or wet. If it's wet, then great. The bowl can help us contain the water from if the umbrella is wet. If it's dry, then just to put there. But one bad thing is, in the long run, it may not be a very good idea. As you see the sketch here, there's only a small tip of support, while on the handle there's not really any support, so the umbrella may be slanted, so it doesn't really fit our criteria. So now I'd like to pass on the time to Wallace, who will be talking more about Ideate 3 and 4.
Okay, so thank you, Jovan, for a wonderful presentation. Now I'll continue with Ideate 3 on Prototype 3. So the sketch 3 consists of the umbrella, and how we came up with the stimuli is using the egg carton. So how did we come up with this was because we were hungry, we decided to cook eggs, and then we looked at the structure of the egg carton, and then we felt like if we can hold eggs, why can't it hold the umbrella? So that's how we designed it. It's simply like a box, but we found that it is not so feasible as it may be too bulky. So moving on to Ideate number 4, which consists of the umbrella, the suction cup, and the Velcro. So our friend Karthik actually came up with the suction cup because he was in his father's car and he found that his father had all those plush toys stick, and then he found that if he can stick those plush toys, why can't it stick the umbrellas? So normally at home you have a lot of glass windows, right? So what we thought of was that what if we could incorporate this suction cup and together use it as a Velcro to stick the umbrella. why can't you do the same for the umbrella? So in conclusion, we came up with a simple design where the Velcro just has a suction cup attached to it, and that because the Velcro is adjustable, you can adjust to any type of umbrellas, be it big or small. So I will now be passing on the time to Hakam, who will be presenting on how the prototype can be used.
Mentioning his point. My name is Akam, and I'm going to share to you on how you can use this product. So, whenever you are going out with an umbrella, don't forget to bring along the tabella with you. See, the tabella is easily attachable to the umbrella, so that you won't easily misplace it or lose it. So how do you use the tabella? Just attach the tabella onto the table and simply just slide your umbrella in. It's very simple, it's easy, and it's less of a hassle to just bring your umbrella and just put it on the floor. So now I'm going to pass my time over to Teron, who will be sharing his point on Idea 5.
Thank you for presenting his point. So now we'll be moving on to our final sketch, which is sketch idea 5. So basically, how do you came up with tabella? We came up with tabella because of a random stimuli, which is rubber band. Because one day, Hakam was trying to tie his water bottle to his bag using rubber band. So we thought of the idea and we think, why can't we apply it to our umbrella holder? So with that said, we have came up with this product. So this product, we went to Makerspace and used acrylic. We used the laser cutter and we cut out the acrylic. After that, we bend it using the heat gun. So we only use a small piece of acrylic piece to bend it. So we save the usage of material. Followed by using a rubber band at the tip, so that hold on. So we use a rubber band at the tip so that when you slot it into the table, you can put the umbrella into it and you hold it securely. So next I'll be moving on to our storyboard. So basically our prototype storyboard is that in panel 1, you can see the user in a coffee shop table and he put his umbrella at the table, beside the table, leaning on the table. So I'm pretty sure you also have gone through and experienced this before, which is where you put it at the side of the table and suddenly it falls. It slips and falls. So that's what happened in our storyboard number 2. The umbrella fall and then the user is miserable. So with tabella, one easy slot into the table and slot your umbrella in, your problems are solved and the user is happy. So with that said, I will now be passing on the time to Denson. Denson, please.
Thank you, Darren. So, as you can see here, these are some of the feedback that is given to us after that we interviewed the Extreme User 1 and 2, where they saw our final product and actually held it. So, some of the positive feedbacks are actually that they said that it will actually solve the problem where their umbrellas cannot stand at like some hawker centers, and it is convenient, easy to use. But some of the negative feedback they are actually given was that our prototype, the corners are actually quite sharp, so it's actually dangerous, might pose a threat. So, okay, what we do not know is that this product might not be able to last for a very long time because the material is actually quite thin. But the good feedback that was given also is also that the appearance is actually very simple. Okay, so as for Extreme User 2, the positive feedbacks are actually that it is firmly attached to the table, it can easily hold the umbrella, and it's fast and efficient to use. But some of the negative feedback were actually that the rubber band, he's concerned that it might tear or it might wear out very fast. And he hopes that stronger materials besides the acrylic can be used so that it can last longer. And he said that the appearance is actually not good. In conclusion, our product is actually simple, cost efficient, user friendly, and it's cheap. As when we sell it to the market, it's very cheap because the materials that we use are actually just acrylic and rubber band, which is actually very cheap out there. So that's all. Thank you.